So right now we're in airport in Vietnam, Hanoi, right? So wow, and amazing, you know what amazing? And a beer, tiger beer, $4.80. Wow, expensive. Also, the soup like $11.
$11.
How much?
$8.
$8. Beer $4.80 beer. Yeah, for all like that. How much you pay?
$29 and something.
Oh, $29. It's nice.
Beer for two.
So my pastime, I drink $4.80.
That's what happens when you go
And
on
Cambodia
holiday.
like $1, 5,000 years, something like
That's what
that.
happens.
Okay, everyone, enjoy with me.
Yeah, what happens when you go on holiday outside of upstream.
Like Kobe and Cambodia, they're like 5,000 real and yeah, $1 something. But we have fun. It's okay. We call holiday. Yeah. Good. Bye bye.